What up? Yo!
Oh my
Yo, what
fuck.
up?
What's gonna happen here? Oh! The freak's just hammering away right off the bat. Oh my god, the freak with a fucking knee here. Oh my god, what a wrenching... Oh, the low blow circle. Oh my god, a hurricanrana! No! Oh, the spinning wheel kick sends the freak out! Papa! Baby motion versus suplex. He's got him up, he's countering, the freak countered! A suplex into the ring! Oh my god, I'm set up for a pedigree! It is! Oh my god! The freak pedigree's... Oh my god! Oh! My god, no! Oh my god! The freak is no give, fans! Oh my god, in the midsection! No! Oh my god, Papa! Way back up again! Papa doesn't know! Oh my god! Papa cop drop off the top! The freak! With his own elevation! He's... At the top! The Dawn! The Dawn! No! A super kick! Stop! We don't need that kind of stuff here. Oh my god, they're fighting! Hammering away at each other. Both men equal now, even though they're both worn away. Oh, the kick to the fucking... No! Oh my god, right in the face! Papa! I've never... Hardcore, violent motherfuckers. No! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! 1, 2, 3!
It's over!
It's over! No! The freak has beaten Papa Whitey! There's no way! Freak! He lost his last match, losing his title, but I'm sure he can have some comfort in knowing that he beat... No!